Hey, welcome back, guys. Okay, so you're making quite some progress covering all the important CSS fundamentals. Great job if you follow the playlist up until this point. So today I want to talk about another very important CSS concept, very basic, and that is typography. So generally in web design, typography refers to how you, uh, you know, how you can manipulate text content on your website. And I'm gonna in the next series of videos, I'm gonna be showing you what CSS tools and CSS properties are available for you for manipulating text and fonts. So generally, this is categorized into two. So we have the font properties and the text properties. So the font has to do with the appearance of our text content generally. Things like font family, font size, font weight. Text properties has to do with the way text is arranged on our web page. Things like text alignment, things like text decoration, and things like text transform, whether it's uppercase or lowercase. You know, so we're gonna quickly get into it and see how we can start using some of these tools. Okay, so basically we have a very empty HTML file, really nothing there, just a div inside the body with an ID of container. Actually, let's make this a class. So with a class of container, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna quickly, since we are talking about text, we're gonna quickly generate some random text, and there is a tool that Visual Studio Code makes available for you to do just that, generate random text. So you just say lorem and then you put the number of words you want to generate. So you want to generate, let's say, like 40 words. Once you do that, you hit tab, and then automatically VS Code helps you, generate this random text, and it's there in our yeah. But something else we want to do is to uh, let's confine this within a box. So we're gonna style that div. So that div with a class of container. So we're gonna say class. Sorry, we're gonna say container, and then what we want to do is to give it a height and a width. So we're gonna give it a width of let's say um 20%. Okay, let's do, yeah, let's do 20% of width. um let's see. Okay, it's like 20% is not, let's do 25. Let's do, okay, let's do 30%. Okay, so I think this is fine. Something else we can do is to give it a border. So we're gonna do border, and the border is gonna be solid border, 1 pixel, and the color is gonna be blue, and just like that. Okay, cool. So something else I want us to do, let's make this red. Okay, let's probably make this 2 pixels. Actually, 2 pixels. Okay, yep. So now that we have that, what I want us to do is to give it this is fine. This is fine. And let's just give it a padding of 10 pixels, and that should be fine. Okay. Um. So something else we can also do is to, okay, let's leave it like this so we can just focus on the text. So I just wanted to create that view, and yeah. So now the first thing we want to do is actually let's put this inside a paragraph. So we know there is a paragraph here, and it's just inside here. Okay, so in the next video we're going to continue to apply those texts